Hey guys, back, and I wanted to show you how to make very easy glider. Unfortunately, right now I don't have one to show you what it would look like, but yeah, sorry about that. So but anyways, I'll show you how to make it. So first you're gonna need 8.5 by 11-inch sheet of paper, 8.5 inches wide and 11 inches long. So anyways, first you're just gonna fold your piece of paper in half. Try to get that visible. There we go. So just fold it in half. This is a very common plane. Most of you guys might know how to make it, but it's very easy. It's a glider. It doesn't have a pointy nose, just so you know. And then after you do that fold right there, you're just going to unfold and then fold your corners onto the center crease. Just like that. Crease. And just fold this down. Make sure that these are both pointy tips. Just like that. And then I'm almost done. You're just gonna fold your corner to make a diamond shape. Just like measure with your finger and make sure both are the exact same. So like right there is perfect. Right there. This is a pretty cool glider. Flies very well. It's a good plane. So, yeah, after you get those two sides on, and you're just gonna fold your corner up. As I said, you guys might already know how to make this, but those are... My sister just came into my room and said something. You guys might not have heard it, but I think I heard it, so. And then after you get that, you're just gonna fold. Well, you know what? I need to fold these a bit lower. There we go. A bit smaller creases, because the thing is, I need to be having this corner up a bit farther. So, yeah. Fold it in half. Make sure it's well creased, and then you're just gonna fold. You're gonna fold that down like angle, like that. Flip it over and fold it like that. And just align it. It's a light plane, but it flies pretty well. Alright, and then just unfold. Looks pretty cool. This isn't my best making of it, so if it doesn't fly very well, that's just kind of the problem, but you get the point as long as you know how to make it. And I'll do a little test. If this doesn't fly well, that's just gonna be unfortunate, but it does fly well. You just gotta make it well. This isn't a super good model of it, but it's good enough. It might not fly, but it'll fly pretty well. Just let me turn off my fan because that'll blow down my thing, because if you can see up there, that's and it's blowing. So I'm gonna go turn it off. I'll be right back. Oh, wrong one. There we go. Okay, I turned it off now. Now let's see how this flies. Okay. I didn't throw it very well. This isn't a good model of it, but you get the point. This is how you make it. My plane actually should probably have wider sides. So that's why it doesn't really fly very well. I mean, it kind of flew, but anyways, you get the point. So that's how you make an easy plane. I didn't really make it very well, but if you make it super good, make sure that the wings are wide and make some airloins. Actually, real quick, I'll show you what airloins are. So, airloins, if you guys don't know what those are, they are flaps right here. Okay, right now you don't have any, but to make airlines, to make your plane fly better, to make it go up, you're just gonna pinch it, just like that. Pinch it so it's going up, like that, and then do the same on this side. Now, if you want it to barrel, see, so that's gonna make it fly high. And then if you want it to barrel, pinch up on just one side, so now it'll barrel left. Or, I think it might barrel right or left, I forget, but let's see how it flies now. And then I'm gonna have to stop the recording, so ready. See, it barreled left, and it flew better. So, that's how to make a easy paper airplane.